Hey y'all, so today's YouTube video is going to be on March Boxy charm. I have received mine today and it's pretty late, but they ran out of stock, so yeah, I got mine today. So let's see what's in this bag, girl. Alright, so I got my Boxy charm and I got my scissors, so go ahead and cut this girl open and see what she working with. Alright, so it's what's in here. Alright, so it says La Vie en Rose Boxy charm. So we got Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Ooh. And it's worth $45. Then we have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Y'all, I love masks. That's $34 as well. We got Moda brushes. I don't know if that's pronounced right, but okay. Powder and soft glow kit. That's $29.99. Orza, O-R-Y-Z-A, I guess. Opaline top glass. I don't know. And that's $14.99. So it's like you layer it over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look and wear alone as a subtle gloss. Mana Kadar Bloom Mascara, $29. I got mascara last month, so I'm getting mascara again. I love my lashes. Alright, so these are the brushes, and it says on the back, this set is a dynamic duo with two beautiful brushes designed to give you a graceful and glamorous look. With elegant rose gold tempered handles and synthetic two-tone white to umber colored fibers, the Moda and Boxy Charm exclusive set is must-have for the beauty collection. Yeah, let's see what these brushes working with, because I don't think I own this set of brushes. All the brushes I have in the world, almost. So they're rose gold. Actually, I do own this. Like 4 of them. These are the brushes. They feel absolutely soft, and that's why I love these brushes, and I own some myself. Alright, so our next thing is Wander Beauty, the peel off mask. I'm just gonna smell it. I'm not gonna put it on. Smells good. Smells clean. Here's the Orza lip gloss. Alright, so I finally got the plastic off. Oh, it smells delish. If I could, I would eat it. And it looks like that on my hand. Pretty, isn't it? So this is the Mana Kadar Rose Gold Mascara. It's not rose gold, but the bottle is rose gold. And I really can't show y'all like the name because it's so bright. So I'm just gonna open it, but it is rose gold and it is beautiful. It smells like what any ordinary mascara smells like. And this is the brush. It looks different than most ordinary mascaras. And last but not least, the Cover FX face. Well, it says full face thing, whatever. So it has a highlighter, a contour, a brightener, a finishing powder, highlighter, and a blush. So that's this palette. And I think that it'll actually look good on me. So everything in my box is featuring rose gold, which is my favorite because my iPhones has to be rose gold. And that's exactly why I didn't upgrade to the iPhone X Max yet. Because I don't have my color. But this one is like the best one yet because I love rose gold.